Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix lag spikes on your PlayStation 5. So let's go up to the top, go to settings right here, and then go on down to where it says network. Then go to settings and go to the right and go to setup internet connection. Now look at your currently connected internet, and you can press options on it and go to advanced settings right here. Then go on down to where it says DNS settings and switch this from automatic to manual. And then type in this DNS. It will be 1.1.1.1 for the primary. Then for the secondary, we have 1.0.0.1. Also, another one that you can try is 8.8.8.8 for the secondary. This is 8.8.4.4. And then we can change the M2 setting from 1500 to 1473, just like this, and then press R2 and go to OK and reconnect to your network. Now, if you're using Wi-Fi, if you're using a 5G or a 6 gigahertz connection, this is going to be quicker for your download speeds. So you can press options and then go to Wi-Fi frequency bands, and you go to 5 gigahertz only right here, and see if you have any kind of connection under networks found that you can connect to. So your currently connected internet might actually be 5G right now. Now, if you want the quickest, most reliable connection, connect a wired cable to the back of your PlayStation 5, and then go to where it says set up wired LAN right here. And this is pretty much going to double your download speeds on your PlayStation 5. Also, pay attention to your Wi-Fi range. So you can see I have all my Wi-Fi routers max bars right now. So if you're only at like 70% or something like that, you could be getting lag spikes just because your PlayStation is too far away. So I always recommend having a wired LAN cable. Also, another thing that you can do is you can go to your internet, press options on it, and you can forget it. And then re-add it down here under networks found. So sometimes that actually helps fix it as well. And other times, you might be playing a game and you think you're lagging from an internet standpoint, but it's actually the game and the FPS drops. So we can go on down to save data in game app settings, go to where it says game presets, and switch this from game default to performance mode. And this is going to provide you a smoother image when you're playing the games. Also, if you are playing a game, go over to the display or the graphics setting in the game and set it to performance mode as well. And you're going to notice a much smoother gameplay all around. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.